You think you can make a snowman?
Yeah, make a snowman, Bubba. Yeah. And no get a hat in the nose.
Huh?
You get a nose?
I'll get a nose for him.
In a hat?
In a hat, yeah.
Where is hat? In the nose.
We'll find one for him.
Okay, in the closet?
Yeah.
Oh.
Come here, bub. I'll show you how to do it. Come here.
I'm making a snowman.
I know. I'm going to help you. Come here.
Okay, make a snowman. Let me make a snowman.
Uh-oh.
What?
I hear a siren. Oh, good job, Dada. Okay, that could be the body.
What?
What do you think?
It's tiny.
Okay.
That's the head.
Why don't we just make a head, a snowman head?
No, Mama, that's not a snowman.
Your hands are gonna freeze.
You want that to be the body?
Yeah. What do?
I know, put your hands in your pockets. Warm them up.
All right. Should we make the middle?
Yeah. No.
Why don't you put, I have some mittens. You want me to go get them?
That'd be fun.